Today we talk about slope formation and construction methods. 1. Slope formation and construction methods. Slope formation and construction methods are techniques used to create and stabilize slopes in construction projects. These methods include an excavation. Excavation involves removing soil and rock from the slope to create the desired shape and angle. This can be done using heavy machinery such as excavators and bulldozers. 2. Filling. Filling involves adding soil and rock to the slope to create the desired shape and angle. This can be done using heavy machinery such as dump trucks and loaders. 3. Grading. Grading involves shaping the slope to the desired angle and contour. This is typically done using heavy machinery such as graders and bulldozers. For soil stabilization. Soil stabilization techniques are used to prevent erosion and promote vegetation growth on the slope. These techniques include the use of geotextiles, erosion control blankets, and hydroseeding. 5. Retaining walls. Retaining walls are structures that are used to support the soil on a slope and prevent it from sliding. These walls can be made from a variety of materials, including concrete, stone, and timber. Terracing. Terracing involves creating a series of flat platforms on the slope, connected by retaining walls. This method is often used in agriculture and landscaping to create flat areas for planting. 7. Vegetation. Vegetation can be used to stabilize the soil on a slope and prevent erosion. This can be done by planting grasses, shrubs, and trees on the slope. By using these methods, slopes can be formed and stabilized to ensure the safety and longevity of construction projects. The specific method used will depend on the slope's angle, soil type, and other factors. 2. Chunam surface in slope construction. Chunam is a traditional Korean building material made from a mixture of clay, sand, and straw. It is often used in the construction of walls and floors, as well as in slope construction. In slope construction, Chunam is used to create a smooth, durable surface that is resistant to erosion. The Chunam is applied to the slope in layers, with each layer being allowed to dry before the next layer is applied. This process is repeated until the desired thickness is achieved. Chunam surfaces are often used in conjunction with other slope stabilization techniques, such as vegetation or retaining walls, to provide additional stability and erosion control. The Chunam surface helps to protect the underlying soil from erosion caused by wind and water, while also providing a smooth, even surface for vegetation to grow. Overall, the use of Chunam in slope construction provides a durable, erosion-resistant surface that can help to stabilize the slope and promote vegetation growth. 3. Stone-pitched surface and vegetation in slope. Construction. Stone-pitched surface and vegetation are two common methods used in slope construction to stabilize the soil and prevent erosion. A stone-pitched surface is created by laying stones or rocks on the surface of the slope. The stones are carefully selected and arranged to create a stable and durable surface that can withstand the forces of wind, water, and gravity. This method is often used in areas with steep slopes or where there is a high risk of erosion. The stones help to protect the underlying soil from erosion, while also providing a rough surface that can help to slow down runoff and promote infiltration. Vegetation is another effective method for stabilizing slopes and preventing erosion. Plants and trees help to hold the soil in place with their root systems, reducing the risk of landslides and soil movement. In addition, vegetation can help to reduce runoff and increase water infiltration, which can help to prevent erosion and promote healthy soil. Native plants are often preferred for slope stabilization, as they are adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, and are less likely to require irrigation or fertilization. Both stone-pitched surfaces and vegetation can be used together in slope construction to provide additional stability and erosion control. For example, a stone-pitched surface can be used to create a stable base for vegetation to grow on. Or vegetation can be planted in the spaces between stones to provide additional soil stabilization. By using these methods, slopes can be stabilized and erosion can be prevented, ensuring the safety and longevity of construction projects.